Hello guys, welcome to Sampada Creators and I'm your host Shubham Sharma. So guys, in this video we are going to show you how you can contribute to Polkadot or Kusama parachain auctions or crowd loans by using polkadot.js extension in your computer browser or laptop browser. So let's go to our computer screen. So guys, this is my computer screen and here I am already on the website. The name of the website is parachains.info/auctions/Kusama, which is already on default. I can click on the Polkadot too, but here as you can see, I am seeing the waitlist announced options only. But when I click on Kusama, I am seeing the options of join, which means the parachains on Kusama are live, but on Polkadot they are yet to be live. And we can also see the dates. First parachain which will start on Polkadot will list on November 11, right? So this means on November 11 we will be able to participate or will see the join option in the right hand side of these options, or all the companies which will be competing with each other for the Polkadot parachain. But for now we can see the Kusama parachain which is happening right now, and I can click on join on any of these following companies. And we can also see the rewards, like if I contribute 1 Kusama into Picasso, I will get 20,000 plus Picasso coins for that 1 Kusama. The main thing about this parachain, the whole hype is it is a new way to raise money, right? As I've already explained, I'm going to say it again. Leasing period is 48 weeks, means if the project in which we have contributed our Kusama, if that project is able to get the parachain of Kusama, then our Kusama will be locked for 48 weeks. After 48 weeks, we will get our Kusama back into our wallets. Now, speaking of wallet, we need a wallet. The name of that wallet is polkadot.js and it is an extension. Here is the icon. So what we need is we search polkadot.js extension and we get the first website, polkadot.js.org. I click on this website and I see the two options: download for Chrome, download for Firefox, right? So you can use any of these two browsers and you can download that Polkadot extension. The icon will be available here, right? I click on this icon and then I click on this plus icon. Now I click on this create new account. As many of you guys will be new to this Polkadot extension, so the address which I'm seeing in default is Polkadot address, right? So this is the address, which means if I generate this wallet, this is the address of my Polkadot. I can send my Polkadot from any exchange to this wallet on this address. These are the mnemonic seed phrases which I need to access this account, right? Then I click on this. I have saved my mnemonic seed safely. Please write down these mnemonic seed phrases and hide them safely where no one can touch them, because this is the only thing which any hacker or anyone need to get their hands onto your crypto, right? So I don't need it. When you click on this next step, you will be prompted for a password, right? You put that password and your account is created. I don't need it, I already have accounts. So I click on the cancel and this is it. Now your wallet is created. Now I want to contribute on Kusama, right? So now you also need to get a Kusama address, right? So how you are going to send your Kusama into this wallet? So you click on these three icons and then you click on here this option and you click on this Kusama relay chain, right? So as you can see, the address is changed, right? There is Kusama written and I am seeing this address of mine. So you copy this address and then you paste this address onto any exchange from where you withdraw the Kusama, right? So from where you will withdraw your Kusama, or from where you want to withdraw the Kusama of yours. So you send your Kusama to this address, and the only problem in this wallet is you will not be able to see how much Kusama or how much of any crypto you have, right? You just click, paste it into your exchange, you withdraw your crypto into this, and your crypto will be available on this Polkadot extension. If you want to see how much amount you have of how much of crypto, or how much amount of crypto you have into your Polkadot extension, you need Polka Wallet, which is the mobile app of Polkadot extension, and you download that Polka Wallet from your App Store or from Play Store, and there you paste your seed phrases, right? You log in using your seed phrases, you put that password, right? You create a password, new password onto your mobile, and then you will be able to see how much amount of crypto you have into your Polkadot extension. So it is so this is it. You have created your extension, or you have created your wallet into Polkadot. Now the main thing, you click on any project you like, you click on this join, the website will open, right? I want to contribute with Kusama. I click on the contribute here, collect wallet. Now select account, this is my account. I select amount. Here you can see the minimum contribution amount is 0.1, right? So if you don't have so much money, like you cannot buy 1 Kusama, you can contribute also 0.1 Kusama, right? Now for 0.1 Kusama, I will get 2184 Picasso. I click on contribute here. So I will be prompted for putting my password. Here I will put my password. Now sign the transaction, and when I've contributed, it will be written here, contributed. So now I have contributed successfully into this Picasso project, in this Picasso, right? So I have put my 0.1 Kusama into the crowd loan of Picasso, and if Picasso win this parachain, which is very likely, you see this meter, right? So if this wins it, my Kusama will be locked for 48 weeks, and the company will tell us how or when we will get these tokens, and that is a different process. So guys, this is it. This is how you can contribute your Kusama or Polkadot by going into this website, right? And you click on the link, and this is it. This is the easy process. You can contribute in any Polkadot or Kusama parachain from your PC by using Polkadot JS extension. This is it, guys. This was the video. If you like the video, please share it with your family and friends who also want to contribute into Kusama or Polkadot parachains, right? And if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.